is up, guys? Today I'm going to, you know what time it is already, mystery tackle box unopened. I need to fix the spring in here. So 1, 2, cut. 2, so let's see what this knife is. From my favorite, the G10 with the little glass breaker. Anyways, let's go. Let's get into this box. You already know what it is. You got the add to your box little contest. You read about it. You read about it. Also tell you what's in your box. Looks like we got a good selection here. Always get the Dibbles Digest. Tips and tricks. Dope sticker. I'm gonna put that sticker on our laptop, actually. With all the others. Let's go with that on here. Put that baby bass right there. Boom. Check it out, check it out. Alright, cool. First up, we got from Mustad. I always say mustard, but Mustad. We got 3/0 EWG hooks. You already know what these are. Hooks, we always gotta have hooks. Terminal tackle is a must. Next, we got some peg stoppers. Definitely used for flipping. Alright, cool. Next on our list, let me look at this little thing right here. We got the Reaction Strike RS Ranger. It's a little deep diving to the 4 feet. Little. Check this out the package real quick. It's a good color, actually. Look at that. How Chaz all that. Look. Ooh. Good little. Ooh, sticky hooks too. It's a good little color. Definitely a good little color. We'll put that back in there. Come on, get in there, boy. Alright. Next up, from Carl's Amazing Baits, we got the slimy stick. Look at this. This is different. I think this is the MTB exclusive. The slimy shake. Check this out. Man, that packaging though. It's a deep diver as well. Look at that. The color pattern of the eyes are back. So I guess it's supposed to look like a crawl imitation with a nice little touch. This is definitely not too loud rattlers. This is a good, definitely a good time springtime bait. I'll keep this in the box. That's a sign. Next we got from BB Lab. It's the square worm. Check these bad boys out. They're almost like a shaky head, but they're not. They're like perfectly rounded right here, and like it's fat and then it's kind of skinny. It kind of has a strong flavor. Let's go and take a sniff. Ooh, that's stinky. Stinky. So we go with the 3/0 hooks that we got on pegged it. And then next we got from Show Me Lures. Little that's a hotel, I don't know what that is. So they're regular plastic. Let's see what these worms are like. So it has like a little tail at the end. Could do a good little shaky head. That little tail flap around, but we'll see. Alright guys, well that is it for this box. I mean, quick little unboxing of the mystery tackle box. You already know we're gonna try to do a slam within the next couple days using this box. For sure this is gonna kill. I don't even know the depth on this one. Let's see if we can find the depth. Dives 5 to 8 feet, so definitely out for some clear water. But other than that, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. The subscribe thing will pop up right here. And as always, guys, remember to keep fishing. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.